My name is Maca. I am an interior designer and a marketing manager. I've been a crafty girl all my life. I love to decorate, bringing accents to my house.
Hi, my name is Garbo. I'm a pottery artist, a content creator, and a mom. Home is my favorite place because I can just be myself comfortably without expectations.
I'm Joanna and I'm the creative director of Le Marathon Créatif. Le Marathon Créatif is a non-profit for youth coming from underserved communities. We design and curate programs for the next generation of creative. The studio is truly my second home. We call it the salon. It's truly homey, cozy. When people come in, I really want them to just be comfortable and also just be themselves.
My holiday ritual is first slowing down, creating this atmosphere that's really comfy, like a cocoon, a sanctuary away from the world outside. My schedule is so busy, so having furniture that's easy to clean is one less thing for me to worry about.
As an interior designer, I love the cozy dining set. It's beautiful. I love the oak finish. It's so warm, it's inviting. I love adding a pop of color, as I did with the bench. One thing that I love about this table is that it's an extendable table. It serves multiple functions. Like if I extend this, I will have more space to craft and to fit more materials. I can fit more people into my gatherings.
Since our studio is super big, I like that the couch is super flexible and modular. I can just move things around. There's a lot of storage, so I can just put my stuff inside. So if there's more people coming, usually I have some cushions.
Having storage is really important for us as well because he has a lot of stuff lying around, books, toys, so having a good storage space that you can just hide away, you don't see anything, that's also great.
I know all the effort that they put in every single detail. I appreciate that a lot. And it's across all the lines. They're not only beautiful, but they also are functional, and that's something that designers appreciate a lot. They serve a purpose.
For the holidays, when I host my friends and family, I focus on having conversation at first. It's important to connect because I know that we don't have that much time together sometimes.
I pull a lot of my memories from my holiday season, so I want to recreate that for my son. We like to put the tree together, just slipping into a cozy mood to get comfortable and spend more time with my family.
Gathering means so much to me. It's the warmth of bringing the people that I love to a space that I worked on for so many years and having a sense of connection, making them feel comfortable. That's something that I'm very proud of, and that's something that I also want my kids to embrace.
It's all about connecting. For me, the most important thing is the intention of just being together.